I'm wiring multiple 240V baseboard heaters in parallel with a wall thermostat using 10 halves romex and a 30-amp double pole breaker. The thermostat won't take more than 20 amps to operate properly, and my units will not consume more than 16 amps, 3 units at 4.2 amps each. I'm overwired, but that's my tendency. I've wired the units by taking the 2 black wires on the side and connecting the black source wire to the top black wire in the unit and the white source wire to the red wire in the unit. On the second and third unit, does it matter whether I connect the black and white source wires to the respective top black and lower red wire in the unit, or can they be exchanged? My thinking is that it doesn't matter, because I'm just trying to pull 2 phases of 120 AC through the unit to create the resistance and build heat.
Welcome. My name is XXXXXXXXXX. Would be glad to assist. You are correct on the assumption. It will not matter on the 2140 volt circuit which wire connects to each wire inside the heater. It may be easier later for troubleshooting purposes, but it does not affect the heater operation when they all are parallel. Full-size image. Just shoot a reply for any added info needed. Thanks.
Thanks, good to know my understanding is correct. From what I understand, I don't need to recode the white wire at the box either to red, or would that be wise to do?
I like to just put a small piece of black tape to signify that is a 120 volt wire and not a neutral. This would be for future reference in case of troubleshooting. But the breaker tells you it is 240 volts and that both wires are hot.
Agree, make it foolproof. Thanks much and Merry Christmas to you.
You are welcome, glad to assist, and Merry Christmas to you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.